are going to start. Hello traders. Today is the 2nd of June 2010, and this is just a quick video to show you on the live chart of USD yen on 3-minute chart USD yen what we are seeing on this chart here. Maybe we learn something together here. We know in this morning that this candle here, if you follow my cursor here, is what we call the exhaustion candle, and I did a video about the exhaustion chart pattern. And then we have this candle also here. This is the double exhaustion pattern, almost parallel to this candle here, similar size here. And we sold it here, keep all our position open, because we know now after this movement from here to here, plus the exhaustion candle here, we know that it's time to sell. Okay, this is the exhaustion pattern. Okay, and we are in a supply zone, so we sold it here. And when the price display a higher low, very curiously display a higher low here, people bought it and they push it. As the price was going up, people were just selling it. If you see all these upper tails of the candle and the size of the candle, not very convincing here. Okay, they drag it, they manage to drag it. It's like somebody who is wounded. Okay, the person is wounded and they dragging and fighting back. Okay, and then they sold them back down all the way here. You see, from here we have a low here and plus a higher low here, and the price went up. But from this higher high, we went down to a lower low here. Look at that. Okay, from a higher low we came back crashing down to the lower low. This is not sustainable. Okay, it's telling us that this is not a valid uptrend, because normally in the uptrend we should have a higher lows and a higher highs. Okay, but from here a low, a higher low and a higher high. Now we come back down to a lower low. That's it. Okay, now people manage. Okay, so after this lower low, you are looking for opportunity to sell. Okay, if you don't know so far since this level that you should sell, at least from this zone you start thinking, okay, now I'll get ready now to load it, okay, and then sell it. Okay, so from here, that's what people did after this huge candle followed by this bearish candle. People sold it here because they noticed that the uptrend, it has been invalidated. Okay, so a low, a higher low, a higher high, plus now a lower low. People are saying, okay, something has changed. Okay, a lower low has come. Now they're waiting for another opportunity to sell. So they, after this one here, the price came here, test this level here, only to go a little bit above it, cancel quickly by this bearish candle. They are in. So you see this candle here, how huge it is. People with the bear who were desperate to come in, they just sell it from here. And look at all this. People try to push it back up with their stochastic indicator. Can you believe it? These people going to destroy the market at one point by using the stochastic willy-nilly. Please watch my video regarding how to use the stochastic like professional traders. Do not use the stochastic anyhow, anytime. Very important, because one day these people are going to crash the market. Okay, can you imagine one day the stochastic is overbought or whatever, oversold in one particular in all time frame, and people will just jump on it and sell the market. They will crash the market. They will crash the market for no reason. Okay, this is what's happening here. If these people were majority, like the whole market follow these people, I mean, they will push it up, of course. Okay, but the professional have the upper hand here, and they control this down. I'm a bit excited when I'm talking about the stochastic, because I've seen it many times, people doing it non-stop. Okay, and a lot of, even some of the people who call themselves professional traders, they don't know how to use the stochastic indicator. If they want some help, I mean, they can watch our video though. Okay, but there are a lot of people who know exactly how to trade, but they can't make money also. That's another thing, to time their trend. Okay, carefully. But like I highlighted this zone here since this morning here, it's just telling us sell, sell, sell. Okay, so that's what we did: sell, 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 sell. Okay, even here you can still sell here. Okay, yeah, even now you can still sell. Okay, because the price is still I'll show you here, the first exhaustion level is right here. Okay, it's this line here. If you follow this horizontal line, I will draw that horizontal line here, so you see. So the first exhaustion zone is this one here. So this is where people normally should sell. All this price movement above this horizontal line is just a fake one. what we call a fake movement to the opposite direction. I don't know, but this is happening all the time in the market. So you can still sell in this zone here, okay? Because we know that the first sell signal is right here with this exhaustion candle. If you don't know what is exhaustion candle, is when the price did move in one particular direction and the candle have a similar size, almost average size similar, okay, and then now suddenly you see a huge candle which is almost double the size of the previous candles, okay, then you know that you are dealing with exhaustion. This is valid on the in the uptrend and also in the downtrend. So this is our first selling point, okay. And then we have again here our double exhaustion, this candle double exhaustion in this zone here, you see. So you can still sell in this place here. You can still sell if you miss all the selling point. And then after this week here again, this tail, upper tail here, you sell again here, okay. And then here you sell again, okay. After this bearish candle, you sell, okay. And then this one you sell again, okay. You sell again. So all this zone, okay, above this first horizontal line is a sell, 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 sell. This is what, if we should call it the bear zone, okay, the bear zone. So the bears party is the command zone of the bear, okay, the commanding everything here, okay. A lot of orders being placed here to sell the USD yen, okay. Because sometimes there are some other traders also, they don't use the technical analysis, they use the news, okay. This is a group of traders, okay. All they do, they pay attention to news, okay. And these people, they have a lot of money, okay. Once they hear one particular news, they will jump into the market and do what they want to do, okay. So yesterday the Japanese prime minister has resigned. So there was a lot of bearish sentiment toward the yen currency. So people were busy buying the USD yen because the yen is weak compared to the dollar because the prime minister has resigned. It was just one situation where the prime minister, the government, the Japanese government promised to dismantle one American base, but they didn't do it. And the population was not happy about it. They asked for the resignation of the prime minister. The prime minister resigned yesterday. Very emotional prime minister, almost crying. It's sad to see him though, okay. So these group of traders that trade the news only, okay. So we have some traders who always will trade the technical. They won't pay attention to the news. I think it's smart to do that. And there is another group also that will always use only the news, okay. So Japanese prime minister resigned. They think that the Japan economy is in trouble now. The yen must be weak, so they keep buying the USD yen anyhow, willy-nilly, okay, as they want to. So this is what they are doing. So they keep buying, buy, okay. These people must be some kind of traders supervisor giving order to their traders to buy the USD yen because of what's happening in Japan. So they say, okay, today we are buying the USD yen, okay. So they keep buying. They don't pay attention to the price. I think it's wrong to do that. You have to pay attention to the price, okay. Whatever news come out, you pay attention to the news, but you pay attention also to the price, okay. So we can't say that we are only technical trader, okay. I hear some traders say that, okay, I'm only technical, or some people say I'm only fundamental. You have to be all, okay. You have to be all, because all this information are given to you, okay. All of them, okay. You see now the price is dropping big time because, like I said, this is the upper house of the bear, okay. They are here controlling everything, and by just understanding the language of the price, okay, it is what I call locating the supply zone. Locate the supply zone. Do not buy within the supply zone, okay. Sell, and if you're going to buy in the demand zone, the accumulation zone. That's where you buy, okay. Don't just buy anywhere anyhow. Very important, okay. So when the price is in this zone here, this is the kind of a support zone here. You take a bit of profit. This is what people are doing here. So you take a bit of profit here, okay, because some people will call it triple bottom now. This bottom, this bottom, this bottom here. But I mean, they will just waste the bear time, and at the end of the day, the bear will have the upper hand because everything else is telling us sell, 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 sell. That's why I draw my arrow here. okay, ready for the price to come down, nicely. Okay, I did that before the price started falling, because since this level here we knew what was up for the USD yen, and it was amazing to sit down and watch this in a lifetime, and how people are going in the opposite direction to what is going to happen. Okay, and you take advantage of that. Okay, because more than 80% of the traders are losers. They lose consistently and they lose abundantly, which is very sad, because they don't pay attention to the price or to what's going on. Okay, but if you are struggling, you can get my TSTW24 trading system if you want to. It's up to you. But if you are happy and you are honest with yourself, carry on. Okay, so till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.